there's some rain from time to time in the next several hours and perhaps even while you sleep. But this is a swift moving system, so it's not going to be something that lingers for a long time. The forecast and focus times the rain out. We'll have another batch in the evening hours, and maybe when you put the kids to bed, there still may be at least a couple thunderstorms. We'll have to monitor those storms individually. Like we usually do in landfalling tropical systems, they can cause a little bit of a low-level spin that can prompt a concern for waterspouts or a tornado. By midnight, more in the way of rain will begin to pass through the central and eastern portions, while to the west in the tri-state area, we'll start to see a dwindling pattern of rain coverage. And as we start to go into the pre-dawn hours, what's left of the center will continue to zip off towards the east and northeast, so we're going to see more of an eastern focus of rain just before the sun comes up. And then as you're getting ready for work and school, there may not be much in the way of rain left over, so this is a very progressive situation where most of the rain is going to be focused in the time frame between now and just before the sun comes up in the morning. Patchy areas of cloudiness will still be left over. We'll start a drying trend as winds become more west and northwesterly. It may take a little time to get rid of the cloudiness, so don't expect it to be fully sunny once the rain ends, but at least we will see this zip right on through and not really persist all that long. And as I mentioned, a few of those individual storms, like what we had today in the Forgotten Coast, they can create waterspout or brief spin-up tornado risk, so that carries forward into tonight. That can be a secondary concern, and a good reason to have our Storm Shield app or follow us on our social media, download our app so we can keep you informed if anything of the like tends to come our way. Sometimes that does happen. Not a widespread concern, but a concern nonetheless, at least in a few cases. Rain tallies will be around 1 to 2 inches, I think, broadly speaking, across the Big Bend area. Lesser amounts for most of South Georgia. And at the immediate coast, there can be a few spots that can exceed 3 inches. Already around St. George Island, we've had about nearly 3 inches since the last 12 hours began, so we can see more heavy rain in those sections, and that's why there is a flash flood watch for coastal counties plus Lafayette County. You can also have times of accumulating rain. If it comes down very quickly, that can cause some flooding issues. But the wind aspect, again, inland areas, you may not notice anything abnormal when it comes to breezes overnight. Wind gusts 10, 20, maybe 25 miles per hour, but of course with wind flowing over the waters, there's nothing to slow it down, so that's where the strongest winds are likely to be. Wind gusts can maybe carry into the US 19 and lower Swanee Valley upwards of about 20, 25 miles per hour just before the sun comes up. But that's about it when it comes to any kind of wind concerns. So the things you need to keep in mind is that we will still have some rain to deal with. We'll also have limited sunshine for most of your Thursday after the rain subsides. But we'll start to increase the sunshine little by little, especially into Friday and the weekend. A few pop-up showers and storms are still around, but Mindy